May utang pa tayo.
Hindi na makatayo.
Ito, sabihin nyo yung mga nilalaman ng puso na hindi nyo pa nasasabi. So I want you to think, if this is your last day on earth, I want you to say, husband, sabihin nyo kay wife, wife, sabihin nyo kay husband, kung ano yung gusto nyo sabihin. If this will be your last day. And then sa dulo, can we say, can you grow old? We'll give you enough time.
Give you enough time?
May magpipicture ka na lang, May.
Okay lang ba may background music para hindi marinig yung katabi nyo kung anong sinasabi nila? Just imagine na kayo lang yung naiwan mo. Okay? Ready?
Ala, sasayo. Wow, yung tugtog.
Kadami na ako.
Tanggalin mo yan? Hindi ako makakilos eh.
Sana all.
Sana. Bukit ka. Buti nga sa'yo. Tigas ng ulo mo kasi. 2025 na. Wala. Ding. Malapit na bumalik si Lord. Ingit ka lang.
Hoy!
Mamatay kasi.
Remember! Remember me!
Ash.
Remember me when I was young. Hello. Sana wala ng gabi. Sana wala ng gabi. Hoy, pasaway. Hoy. Sana wala ng gabi, balik araw.
Sana hindi na matapos.
Oo, para lang katapusan. Oo, sana wala ng gabi.
Okay. At least po ba nakapag-connect po ba kayo? Just, okay. Alam mo
A love that never falters. No? A love that never fails. A love that even if your spouse fails, you would still love that person. And that's the love you should be known for. Just like